Here's our convertible collar blouse. First we'll learn to make this convertible collar, which does not have a seam here. Collar is set about 3/4 of an inch away from center front. This is center front. So when it's on and buttoned low, it becomes like a little jacket with lapels. We have shaped bust darts. When you see me pattern this, you'll see that the top line of the dart is straight. The underneath one is curved to pull up the fabric under the bust. We have vertical darts, shaped side seams with slits, 3/4 length sleeves, and they have fold-up cuffs. Of course, I'm using contrasting thread for filming purposes, and they have little slits, and you see the slit is not on a seam, so I'll be teaching you that. We have fisheye darts in the back for a voluptuous, full-figured woman. Having more darts gives me the ability to shape the garment around her body in a very nice way, and the darts don't have puckers. We have the shoulder darts. The facing is a fold-back facing, no seam, and the interfacing is sewn here, so that it's a finished edge. You see the fisheye darts in here. I've used zigzag so that you don't have to go to the expense of buying a serger or something like that. And using hem tape gives the ability to finish the edge nicely and have a very flat surface. If I turned this edge under, being linen, it would have been thick and pressed through. So this is our convertible collar blouse for Morgan in a lovely vegetable pea green, which really will look beautiful with her complexion. So let's get busy, and I will show you how to pattern and sew this blouse.